Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out the AINIRO Trigger Lock safety mechanism that is very important. On top we have a little thank you card, a reset pin or for a button, and the instructions. All right, on top of this we have this nice metal base. Top, it's feels to be like aluminum or something, and it's got this foam padding on the bottom so it doesn't slip around. All right, we have mounting accessories, so some screws and things like that. In the bag we have USB cords, so we can charge the item up, and also has keys to unlock it. Here's another part that goes with the base. We'll be assembling that in just a second. And here we have the trigger lock mechanism. So I've already gone ahead and set this up. So that's all there is to it. It has these pieces right here, and that'll go over your trigger guard, and then it locks into place just like that. When that locks in, these little pegs can get pressed into where maybe one will be down and the others will be up, so that when that goes into place there, that's locked, and then you can't open that up unless you have the key, which is right here, fingerprint, or the password here. So I believe it's that simple just to open it up. So I've actually forgotten the password, but I know the password does work, and also we can try out the key here. So this has some nice rubber around here, so you know it's not going to scratch up the mechanism or anything when you're locking it on your device, and keeps your trigger nice and safe and secure so nobody gets harmed or by an accident or anything like that. So once again, this is heavy duty metal. It's strong. We can use the keys here real quick. So the keys just fold out and they fold into this little thing here like that, and then the key just slips in there and that comes right off of there like that. I'm going to assemble the frame here real quick and just kind of show you how that can be done. So just follow the instructions. It's super easy to set up. It's super easy to set up the fingerprints and also the code and everything like that. There's little buttons here on the bottom. It says reset and add, and that little pin that's on the front of these, that's taped to those instructions. You can use that. So this little stand here can be put here, and we attach it with these screws that they gave us. And this could be mounted in different scenarios also. Okay, so if you had your device on here, locked on there, and this has this little groove here right there, and that would simply just go right on there. So it would actually hold your thing like a model, just ready to go. So if you want to grab it real quick, that comes off of there and you can push the button. This can also be mounted with the two holes here, so it could be mounted under a desk or something, or where have you, and that would just go in there like that. It would hold your device like that, so wherever you wanted to. So it's nice, safe, pretty cool device here. I like how easy it was to set up, and it's strong too. One thing that I noticed though, if it is bent a little bit when you're putting it on, you just have to make sure that if there's too much pressure on one end, it'll still, once you unlock it, You just have to make sure you twist it the right way or whatever, but it still comes off. If it's bent this way, like pressure going that way like this, and you try to pull out, it's a little bit more difficult. But so you just make sure that this is level and straight when you're pulling it in and out. Other than that, guys, really cool device. Safety is very, very important, especially if you have children around. A great little tool to help with that. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.